Okay, I'm making this video for those who want to mine Tapswap or any of these Telegram mining projects. So what you want to first do, especially for the Tap kind of project, what you want to first do is to go to your Play Store and download Autoclicker. Look at it here, Autoclicker. Look at the logo. There are different Autoclickers, but use this one. Look at the logo, Autoclicker. Download it. When you download it, you click on it, and when you click on it, you click on, I don't know if it's going to bring you here, but I think it's going to tell you, ask you to enable it to have access to your phone. So approve that enablement, and then this page will pop up. Click on enable. When you click on enable, this menu is going to pop up. So you leave this and now go to Telegram. Now on Telegram, when you click on the link, the Tapswap link, when you click on the link, it will bring you to this page, and then when you click on start, this page will pop up. When this page pops up, you click on start now. Now this is the trick. This is the trick I want to show you now. When you click on start now, it will show you 600 units. Is it 600 or 500 units? When it shows you 600, 500 units, what you want to do is you want to tap on this round coin to earn. If you tap on this round coin, if you look at this 5,000 below, the 5,000 is reducing, and then it's adding to the value you have up here. So now Autoclicker helps you to avoid staying on your screen for too long. So once you put this Autoclicker thing here, this cursor on the middle of the coin, you click on play. It starts tapping automatically for you, and it's faster than what you would have done manually with your fingers or with your hands. So I'm just going to pause this so that the video is not going to be long. So now, as a new person who is just starting this, you want to devise a way to accelerate how you earn points without always coming to this Tapswap. So what you want to do first, after tapping your 500 units, you come to task. Now if you look at this task, you're going to see you can see this green line by the side. It means I have earned from all these tasks. So when you click on it, will tell you to join Telegram, to follow on X, and then visit the website. So just do all these tasks and you'll be rewarded. To ask you to connect your wallet, you want to use a Phantom wallet. It's easy because I think it's one of the recommended wallets. You can see the Phantom wallet app. So you want to use a Phantom wallet to connect. And please, if you have a Phantom wallet already, I advise you to create another wallet just for this airdrop to keep your crypto assets safe. Then you come to the last one. You just follow the steps. After doing that, after doing the task, after about 20 minutes, come back and click on check on all of them. It's going to reward you with all these units. Now when you're rewarded with the units, you'll be getting about 500 and something units, right? So now you come and click on boost. The first thing you want to buy is Tapbot. Now what this Tapbot does is, even without you coming to click every 12 hours, it will click automatically for you. So let's assume you're someone who works 9 to 5 and you don't have the time to always come here. Just once you earn 500 units, come and buy the Tapbots. Now after buying the Tapbots, you'll be left with 300,000 units. Buy this recharge speed to level 4, buy the multi-tap to level 10, and buy the energy limits to level 10. I think if you do these purchases, you would be at the level I am right now. So I don't necessarily need to come on this Tapswap to tap every time. And now there's another trick. You see this tapping guru. Now if you click on, as you can see, I've already made use of my tapping guru. Now you can see this full tank. This full tank means once you click on full tank, once you click on full tank, if you had exhausted this 5,000 units here, it will be filled up again for you to tap. When you click on Tapping Guru, it gives you it like a bonus. It allows you to tap at a higher rate. So let me say at level 10, I'm tapping at 10 units per tap. But if I click on this Tapping Guru, it will allow me to tap at 50 units per tap. And that 50 units per tap lasts for up to about 45 seconds. So using the tap bots actually helps you to tap faster. So I believe I've done a little bit of justice to that. If you don't understand, feel free to ask questions.